I had plans today. Nothing big, but a few things I was genuinely looking forward to. The first thing was laundry. I wanted to get it done early and hang everything outside on the line so it could dry slowly in the morning sun. After that, I was going to ride my bike to the park. It's late March, and I had noticed a few signs around the neighborhood over the past week. The cherry blossoms might be starting. I thought it was worth going to check. On the way home, I was planning to stop at Starbucks near the park. They have seats outside, and yesterday was warm enough to sit out. I thought a coffee in the open air would be a nice end to the morning. It seemed like it was going to be a good day. Then I woke up, and the TV weather said rain. All day, no breaks. I checked my phone anyway. An hour later, I checked again. I kept checking every hour or so, hoping it would let up at some point. It didn't. I did the laundry, but it couldn't go outside. It's hanging inside now, and the whole apartment feels damp and close. I didn't make it to the park. I've been watching YouTube instead. I'm not at Starbucks. I made a cup of instant coffee at home. It's not quite the same. And I didn't get on my bike. I've been sitting here surfing the web. It will keep raining through the night. The forecast says so. Everything I wanted to do will just have to wait for another day. There's no lesson here, no silver lining, no reflection. You wake up, check the forecast, look outside, and the day is just canceled. It happens. It's just part of life.